balloon. You getting me my soon. That's how I'll sing love music for you.
Right, if you finish the work, I will pay you.
We shoot money.
You just sit there.
I'm going to pay you. See, I'm look at.
We said that I did the first.
Look at good euro. Better euro.
Nobody, I asked you.
If I spray you this one, you are going to have a big money.
Sister, if you don't need that, spray me.
I will spray you, Joe. I'm coming. Don't
Na
mind.
20,000 euro dead though, which is more than going to 70 million.
When I have ego,
Nah.
ego. If you need the ego, come and meet me.
Alright, no beans.
Look at when say no one come. Say no, they come house. Now yesterday talk come on. Today, on the viewer.
You don't miss us when you hear my voice. Yes, say. Yes,
I
say.
don't tell you yesterday. I don't tell you yesterday. Say, look, I will run come this house.
Yes, say it's sweet. Yori Yori is around. You say her first daughter they around. No, na bright to go beat pass so. Look at who go love me.
That's the act where we say no fit stay slap anybody over with hell. All my clients are around. I don't fit touch them. I don't fit touch them. Bright, which comedy you talk yesterday? You get one comedy where Bright talk.
Baby, Sumbano, singing, Dumetes. Oh, this is scheme.
You put the flowers. For
This
the
one,
table.
I'll put this one.
This one are for kitchen, so.
You can tell you this one for your first.
This one are for kitchen.
This flower, they go there, baby.
No, not be that flower. Those small flower might be for the table. So look at me. No, buy no written back. My confusion. Now confusion.
It's the way I take serious for this work. If I serious for exam, I for come at where?
What I take a doctor?
Who got this drink?
Not my own.
You say I'm my own, eh? Okay, but that's not my own day table.
Now, 2 days, that should be your.
I'm not gonna my own again, but I got it.
That's my one. Which one? We say look baneza. Look baneza.
But that's not get what you know again, nah. Not before. That way put for head.
Years I left Nigeria.
Do you know how many years I left Nigeria? Dread.
I don't speak Nigeria anymore.
Dread don't spoil your brain.
You say not speak Nigeria anymore.
Dread, now me because they need to tell you how you wanted the film. Dread, I need to the work out.
You not my hand, where my hand they reach, eh?
You there, Shay? Not be like to where you wear.
I'm camera shy.
You're camera shy.